Logarithms 101, a first introduction to logarithms. A logarithm is just another way of looking at an index, or a power. To illustrate this, consider a fact that we all know written in index form. We all know that 10 squared is 100. Now consider some terminology. On the left-hand side of the equation above, 10 is known as the base and 2 is the power, or index, or exponent. These are all different words that mean the same thing. In logarithmic form, this may be written as log to the base 10 of 100 is 2. So this just looks at the same thing in a different way. What it's saying is, if we have a base of 10 and we want to get 100, what power do we need? The power we need is 2. The logarithm is said to be a base 10 logarithm, often just written as log, L-O-G, without the 10. So if you see log without the 10, it usually means it is a base 10. Or sometimes you see it just as LG. What this says is that if I'm working in base 10, then the power that I need to raise 10 to get 100 is 2. I talked about that just now. 2 is known as the logarithm. So logarithm is just another word for power. In general, if we have a to the power x is b, now note here that a is the base, x is the index, and b is a number, then log to the base a of b is x. In other words, to get b, we need to raise a to the power x, as we can see when it's in index form. So remember, this is index form, and this is logarithmic form. I just remember the 10 squared equals 100 case. So 10 squared is 100, log to the base 10 of 100 is 2, and then substitute the letters in to get the general case.